Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can expand your background a little bit more. For instance, you want to fill in the space or you want to fill in that space over there. I don't know how it's gonna fully work with the ratio, but you're just going to select AI stylize here. You're going to select style, and here you're going to select autofill. I think it's under it is under AI painting, so there's only one. There's only autofill 2. There used to be an autofill 1, but I think they removed it. But you're just going to select the autofill to fill in the background of your photos, so you don't have to like zoom it in here. So it filled up this area, so if I scaled it up, the full picture will still be there without you just cropping it out. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.